Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna mail. Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with part 2 of my Erin Condren haul. So as you guys know, Erin Condren was out here releasing the cracking on us, okay? Just coming out with all kinds of new things. So I ended up getting a couple of packages because they were the way that they were released. But anywho, we're gonna go ahead and get into part 2. All right, so the first one, I got 2 big this doesn't even fit in the screen, child. I can't even fit it in the camera. So let's go ahead and get into the very first one, which is, oh goodness, this is a lot. Hold on. Ooh, Chile. Whew, that was a little heavy on my soul. Okay, so this one is the extra accessories that came out. So let's get into it if we can. Okay, there we go. All right, ooh, that's cute. Okay, come through with the Kaleidoscope Dreams. This just makes me want to sing Miguel. If you guys are music fans, Miguel had a album called Kaleidoscope Dreams. It's early in the morning. Don't judge my singing voice, okay? Don't judge me. Here we go. So we have the dual tipped markers. Okay. And now y'all know I love these. I already have pretty much all of these unless there are different colors. But I pretty much already have these. But y'all know you can never have too many. And these are like some amazing, amazing pens. I'm not even going to open these. I'll link my video up at the top where I did, what did I do? I did a pen test and all that stuff when they released all of the new dual tips. Alright, so here is the Perpetual Calendar. So if you guys remember from the last video, I was like, I didn't get my Perpetual Calendar. I felt some type of way, but here it is, and it has the kaleidoscope. This is just so pretty. They did a good job, like, for real. And in the back, it has important contacts and important passwords, which you guys know I would never recommend putting your passwords in there to something that's like important. If it's just like a basic website or something that you don't care if somebody got your information in, then by all means write it down. But I just have a hard time leaving my passwords out here, although I am getting older and I do have to kind of put them in my phone to remember, but that's a whole nother story. We'll talk about that another day. All right, so then we have these little cards, compliment cards. And they used to give us these all the time. And they're just little cards that have things on them, like, you know, little great sayings. You can leave these on a coworker's desk or put them on your desk, mail them to yourself, whatever you need. Just little things of affirmations. Today's another chance to get better. Don't give up on great things. Don't give up. Great things take time. And all that you do, do it with gratitude. Do your best with what you've got. That's a good one. Passion and purpose give you progress. When you don't know what to do, do what you know. Okay? Work hard and be proud of what you achieve. The more you dream, the further you get. Challenges are what make life interesting. And the last one is the comeback is always stronger than the setback. If y'all don't hear these inspirational cards, all of these I can make into a song, but I ain't gonna give y'all that today. But just know I may have to, you know, sit down and do a little bit of writing based on these compliment cards. I think those are so awesome. And it's very similar to a journaling card, just smaller. All right, and then we get the snap-in bookmarks, which you guys know I love those. They're just these little small bookmarks that you use to put inside of the coil. It has the, hopefully you guys can, let's see, there you go. So that it just snaps in there right onto the coil and you're able to mark where you're at, and then it's in the kaleidoscope design. So I'm here for that. Oh, and it says metallic mini, so I wonder did they have a bigger version. And then here is what you would normally get inside of your little pouch, which I don't see a little pouch in here either. Well, let me just say I ain't got to no little pouch. They usually give you like a clear pouch that you can put things in. There's some more compliment cards, some name tags and such, and I think that is so cute. And then let's see, this is the designer sticker book. Life is art, live yours in color. Ooh, okay. Okay, they might be twerking with something this time. I see gold and silver. What's that? Rose gold and silver and some more gold. And I love the clear stickers. They're so stinking cute. And these are like the little sayings. And then here are just some like celebrate your monthlies. These are cute. Okay, and I love that they come in the different colorways of the foil. And these are clear stickers too. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are clear, and then these go back to the regular like paper stickers. And then some more of the silver, and there you go. That is the new Classic Collection Edition 5 sticker book. So I'm here for that. All right, then we have the Snap-in Dashboard. This one is for your priorities and your habits. And you're just able to write on there with those wet erase markers and all of that. Then we have the checklist dashboard, and this is great. I think people were using this for like their bills due, to track their bills. Anything that you really want to track, you can do it in here. And I'm not really sure what I would track just yet, but I'm gonna use it because I got it. Okay. And then last but not least, in this box, there is this new thing that they've come up with, which is like a box to house your planner in. So you can just stick your planner in this box and store it. Now it is a little, it is not sturdy, let me be clear, okay? Let's be clear, it's not the sturdiest, but this is a great idea for if you need to put it on the bookshelf or house it somewhere without it getting all messed up. I wouldn't recommend traveling with this because as you can see, like I'm bending it and it's bending in, and I just see that being a whole thing that will like annoy anybody's soul. So you can definitely use it to just store items or to put your planners in. I think I'm gonna use this one as storage because I looked already and I think my other one has one in there. So you can just store all your planner things in a nice little box. All right, so let's get into this big box that we have here, which I am excited to share with you guys. Okay, that was a little extra. Goodness gracious, this is probably the second biggest box I've gotten from Erin Condren before. It's huge. Okay, I don't even know if you guys can like see all the things that have to go into here. All right, so she gave us a newsletter. We haven't got one of those in a while, which I loved these, and just give us some insight on what's to come. Don't forget that on May the 28th, May the 28th, the new summer seasonal box will be out, and these are some of the items that are going to be in there. So make sure you check that out on May the 28th, and it will be $35 just, and it'll probably get shipped sometime in June, so be on the lookout for that. All right, so opening this one up, I ain't wasting no time out here in these streets. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull some of this stuff out so that I'm not hoarding. Is it hoarding? Am I not hoarding everything all in one place? Make sure I got everything, because Lord knows I'll be and forgot something in these boxes. Okay, and here we go. Oh goodness, this box got to go out. It's too big for my soul. Put that over there. All right, so I ended up getting a couple of things because I wanted to try some things out here that we had already kind of been introduced to. So we got these for free, I believe. These are just the Stylized sticky notepads. I really like these, and I'll probably take one of these to work and use them there. And it's just a little notepad, and you can stick it anywhere. Like they have it on the ruler. I never thought about putting it on my ruler that comes with it, but that's pretty cool. So I have two of those. Then I have some notebook paper, and this is, well, let me move this to the back. Let me just hold my horses. Okay, so this is the other box I was talking about that you can store your planner in. And then look, here is my planner. So I decided I needed to try some more of the planners, and so I wasn't sure which one I was going to like or how I was going to like it, but I love my hourly that I use for work, so I went ahead and got me another one so I could have that one because it ends in July. And so here we go. So it looks like they are taking that little pouch away now, and you're just getting the little small cards here, and then inside of there is a code for 20% off. Yeah. Oh, okay, so you don't get that's interesting. So here it says, our gifts to you. You get the Kaleidoscope storage box. So you don't get the little pouch anymore, but you'll get the storage box. You get gift labels, compliment cards, and a discount code that you can give to yourself and give one to somebody else. So that is pretty darn cool. All right, so here is, ooh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, and I think I opted for the neutral in this one. So yeah, this is the neutral. Wow, I'm here for the neutral. So it's very similar to the colorful, just muted colors. All right, so you get this page, this like dot grid page over here. Then you get your birthdays, monthly goals, and all that stuff over there, which I like it. And I like this page over here because I can kind of make it whatever I want it to be. And that's cool. I'm not stuck in a box. And then here is your calendar. Ooh, this is so nice. I am geeked up. All right, and then we have the, oh, this goes to 9. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have till 9. Now, the only other thing I can see the difference, and I'll do a comparison video. I won't even get into that, but I know there are some huge differences right now that I'm seeing between this hourly and the previous one, and I'm actually kind of excited about the changes because yeah, I'm excited about that. But look at the muted colors. I'm loving it. So let's go into the next month. Okay, so that's let's see, this is August. Okay, so it really doesn't change. The little kaleidoscope up there changes its color, but that's it. That's about it right there. Let's go to the back. Everything's the same. This goes from July to June. That's how I like my planners to go because I'm just one of them people. And this, I mean, it's the whole thing. Okay, and then we get to the back. We have the notes section. They did not give me the option to add extra note pages, which I wish they would bring that option back, unless I just missed it and I wasn't paying attention. But I wish they would bring that back because I really love using these and not having to use a separate notebook. Okay, so then you have your pages that you can color in here for it, your contacts page as well, and then your upcoming year. So this is for 2021. Wow, you can really get ahead. And then here, oh, look at this, it's in silver and the rose gold. Here for it, okay. And it's just keeping that same muted theme. So I love the fact that they gave us a slightly, like, it's not totally muted out, but it's just very neutral and the colors aren't hard to deal with. And then here's a perpetual calendar that they did stick in the back of there. It looks like the pockets are a little bit bigger too. Okay, I see y'all. And then this is the back of the planner, so I can store all my thingies in here and just put them up and mind all of my business. All right, so now to the part you have all been waiting for. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard that Erin Condren came out with a young binder. So I'm gonna do a full on review, but I'll just show you guys what this binder looks like with all the accessories and such. So I opted to not get this engraved. The reason why is because if I don't like it, I would like to be able to give it away, and I don't want to have my initials on there because everybody's initials aren't the same as mine. So there's that. So I went ahead and I got the blush pink tone. This one spoke to my soul. Y'all know how I feel about pink. And we open it up and you have, these are some different rings. Now I'm here for it. Erin Condren, you know what you're doing. You're trying to create your own lane, your own space. I feel you and I hear you. So this has the 2 and then 4. So all together there are 8 rings, but the way that they're separated is just different. And then you open them up like such, and it still comes with a ruler that would fit anyone, so that's good. It made the size of the rings to be the same size as the coils, so that's a thing. And then you still get your little purchase thingy here. And then you get your life planner binder, and I got the horizontal layout because I have the vertical colorful, the hourly neutral, and so I decided to get the horizontal layout for this one to see how I would like it. So it does come with this here. I don't need that. And they gave us another perpetual calendar. I'm gonna be perpetual out. And then here are the pages, and I'm like slightly debating on if I want to even open this right now or just wait, but I'm gonna open it because, I mean, why not? I'll just, you know, do the whole review later. Let's see, trying to get this open in the best way possible. And here we go. Wow, all the pages and stuff really look like the regular planner. So here you go. You have your book that comes like this, and you can literally stick however many you want to in there. I mean, there's no rush. So one thing I can tell you, there are another Perpetual Calendar. Good gosh, how many do I need? No, I'm just playing. So one thing I can notice right off the bat, if you see that, this is just the life planner one with no hole, like it just doesn't, it isn't connected to anything. So that's interesting. We'll get into that later. And then back here in the back, same thing with the stickers. It's almost like they just stuck them and gave them to me. So I'll see how that goes in the next one. So let's see. Everything should probably pretty much be the same. Yep, same. July is the same. And then the months, all it is just the way that it's punched. So nothing is different about this other than the way that it's punched. I need to figure out what size this is because I know this is bigger than an A5. So I really want to see what size inserts would kind of fit in here because I know that they're going to be coming out with some sort of hole punch. So that's going to be a whole thing. Let's see the notes pages. We still get those same amount of notes. You still get the same everything. Like everything looks to be the same back here, even down to the stickers and all of that. So here we are. We got us a binder, y'all. And I would probably, I would use this at home. I wouldn't necessarily take this anywhere. One, because this is like canvas style. Actually, you know what? I might use this at work. Quiet as it's kept. Let me go. I don't even think I showed y'all the horizontal pages. Good goodness. So this is the horizontal pages, and I can use this at work. I don't know. We're gonna have to mock plan some things up and see how stuff fits in these boxes and all that. So yeah, here's my little binder thing here that I have going on. I'm excited about that, and we'll see how everything goes. And I got some of the notebook paper. Why does this look way bigger than this binder? Did I mean to get this, or was this like a free gift or something? Why would I get just random notebook paper with holes in it? Like, it's just huge. And this one's huge too. And I got these pocket folders and more pocket folders. All right, well, I guess this doesn't really go with the binder. That's the whole thing of me ordering things on my own. It's just some regular pocket folders. I thought that they would fit in here and be accessories for this one. So I don't know, maybe I can cut them down and see how it does. And like same thing with this paper. I really thought I was gonna be in the game. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my little haul and all of that jazz. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!